A research group wants to assess the safety and toxicity profile of a new drug. A clinical trial is conducted with 20 volunteers to estimate the maximum tolerated dose and monitor the apparent toxicity of the drug. The study design is best described as which of the following phases of a clinical trial. We are going to test, it is phase 1 of the clinical trial following the initial evaluation of drug to assess its pharmacodynamic and kinetic properties. The results of phase 1 trials are used to organize trials with the largest sample size to assess drug efficacy. So it should be option F, that is phase 1. It is also given in your first aid. I'll show it to you. It is given here. Phase 1 is safety assessment via dose escalation determines maximum tolerated dose. It is a small number of either healthy volunteers or patient with disease of interest. It is an open label. It is what phase 1 will be actually.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.